Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Tatiana, and in today's video I wanted to share with you our unboxing of BJU. So our BJU box came in and I started to unpack, and basically I got overwhelmed right away. I was like, everything came in separate boxes, in different boxes, and I thought, you know what, let me just take it out of the box and I'm gonna lay it all out and basically show you what comes in each subject from BJU distance learning. So one of the first things is English for writing and grammar. This is the student's book, the teacher's manual. It came with English video lesson guide, English handouts, English tests, and English test key. Handwriting student book, handwriting teacher's edition, video lesson guide, and handout. Let's see. Next is spelling. This is the student book, teacher's manual, video guide, and handouts. Science, this is the student textbook, student activity book, which is the workbook. Teachers, the video lesson guide, handouts, tests, and test answer keys. We got Math 3. This is the Math Student Manipulative Pack, which is basically like this. Teacher's edition, video lesson guide, handouts, tests, answer key, and the tests. For Bible, we chose to go ahead and do the DVDs, and that's because all my kids are going to be doing the Bible, and I didn't want them to go and be looking at their lesson on the computer, and we can just plug it into our TV. So we went ahead and did the Bible DVDs. This is the Bible student book, student materials for use with following Christ, the teacher's edition. This is guide, handouts, tests, test answer key. This is history heritage studies, 4th grade. Student textbook and student workbook, teacher's edition, and the lesson video guide. Heritage studies, handouts, tests, test keys. Okay, reading. This is the reading textbook, reading workbook, teacher's edition part 1, teacher's edition part 2, reading for assessments, video lesson guide, and handouts. This is BJ Book Links, Journey into Literature, and it's right there. This, what that looks like, and I guess this is the other one. So these are also the books that come with the Bible. That's everything that came in our BJU distance learning, and if you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you like watching homeschool videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!